Move over, coffee, there's a new golden girl in town. And she might just be lowering your blood sugar while looking fabulous. All right, ladies. Let's have a cozy chat about something that's been in our ancestors' kitchens long before oat milk lattes and collagen smoothies hit the scene. Turmeric! Turmeric isn't new. In fact, it's ancient. I'm talking 50-year-old Ayurvedic, passed down through generations, kind of ancient. Our grandmothers and their grandmothers used it for everything from healing wounds to soothing upset tummies. They didn't have fancy science degrees, but they had something just as powerful: observation, wisdom, and time-tested results. Today, we're finally catching up to what they already knew. Turmeric is powerful. And when it comes to managing blood sugar, let's just say she understood the assignment. The science meets tradition moment. Let's sprinkle in a little science, shall we? The magic in turmeric comes from a compound called curcumin. It's what gives turmeric its bright yellow color and its superhero status. Studies have shown that curcumin can improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and even help lower fasting blood glucose levels. Insert soft chuckle. Yes, please. Now, this doesn't mean you ditch your medication and drink turmeric lattes all day. Although that does sound delightful. But adding turmeric regular, especially in the form of a warm, creamy latte, could be a gentle and effective way to support your blood sugar naturally. And get this, curcumin works even better when it's paired with black pepper. Yep, that's a tip straight from ancient Indian medicine. The pepper increases curcumin absorption by up to 20%. Our ancestors were not messing around. Why? It's perfect for women 50G. Now, I know some of you are thinking, okay, but does this really matter now that I'm in my 50s? Oh, absolutely. As we move through menopause and beyond, our hormonal balance shifts, and that can have a sneaky effect on blood sugar levels. Estrogen drops, insulin resistance creeps up, and suddenly that muffin you've eaten for years is making your glucose spike like it's on a trampoline. Adding turmeric to your daily routine is like calling in a wise old friend. She doesn't just support your blood sugar. She's also anti-inflammatory, great for joints, and may even give your skin a little glow. Yes, turmeric said. Let me help you inside and out. The famous turmeric latte recipe, golden milk. All right, now let's talk about the star of the show. The turmeric latte, also lovingly called golden milk. This recipe has been used for centuries in South Asia, especially before bedtime. It's calming, comforting, and yes, it tastes amazing. Here's how to make it. 1 cup unsweetened almond, oat, or coconut milk, half teaspoon turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, trust me, don't skip it, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, also great for blood sugar, half teaspoon fresh grated ginger, or a pinch of ground, 1 teaspoon coconut oil or ghee, helps absorb the curcumin, a drizzle of honey or stevia, if you like it, sweet optional, a dash of vanilla or nutmeg for flair. Warm it all gently on the stove, don't boil it, just heat until steamy and fragrant. Pour it into your favorite mug, take a sip, and let the golden magic do its thing. Pro tip: make a big batch of the dry spice mix and keep it in a jar, so you can have your latte ready in under a minute. More ancestral wisdom. The power of ritual now. Here's the thing. It's not just about the turmeric, it's also about the ritual. Taking 5 minutes to care for yourself, to prepare something nourishing, to pause. That's something our ancestors really understood. In our rush modern lives, a turmeric latte becomes more than a drink. It's an act of self-care, a reminder that we can heal with what nature gives us. And that this second act of life, it's not about restriction, it's about empowerment. So light that candle, wrap yourself in a blanket, and sip something that's not only delicious, but deeply wise. If this little golden ritual speaks to your soul and your blood sugar, give it a try this week. And let me know in the comments. Have you ever made golden milk? Did your mom or grandma use turmeric too? And remember, ladies, 50 is not the new 30. 50 is the new fabulous. And fabulous women take care of themselves, one golden sip at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who needs a little golden glow in her life.